It was gold that brought miners to what is now this Arizona ghost town. Today, Congress Mine is home to Harvest Gold Organics and a unique cleanup effort that has people talking about healthy plants. The connection? The rich, certified organic silica that's harvested on site and sold to growers worldwide, and helping them grow more sustainably, safely, and abundantly. It's the mineral-rich tailings that hold the secret to the amazing structure of this one-of-a-kind silica. Its crystal formation improves plants' cellular structure and stress resistance, regulates water consumption, and amplifies the growth of plants starting at the roots. Plants treated with Harvest Gold Organics are bigger, more bountiful, and beautiful beyond measure. Thanks to the efforts made to repurpose this mineral-rich soil, Harvest Gold Organics is going further to find new ways to save food, farming, and the future of the planet. For more information on how Harvest Gold Organics can help you grow, visit harvestgoldorganics.com.